안녕하세요. 고급영어 영자신문을 읽으며 영어 공부도 하고 경제 및 시사 공부를 할 수 있는 고급영어로 가는 길 채널입니다. 제가 별다른 준비나 별도의 스크립트가 없이 진행을 하다 보니 제 첫 번째 영상이 중간에 잘렸지만 일단 그냥 올렸습니다. 이번 영상은 어제 올린 영상에 대한 원어민 오디오 버전입니다. 일단 코멘트 박스에 링크 기사를 1회에서 2회 정도 읽으시고 원어민의 리딩을 들어보면서 개별 단어들이 어떤 소리로 어떻게 발음되는지 잘 들어보시기 바랍니다. 필요한 경우 두세 번 정도의 반복 청취를 권장드립니다. 감사합니다. 다음 영상에서 또 뵙도록 하겠습니다.
European stocks close higher as Phase 1 trade deal boosts sentiment. Stock 600 hits record high. Source: CNBC. Key points. Washington and Beijing announced on Friday that an agreement had been reached pending legal procedures, a significant step forward after a bruising 18-month trade war. US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin told CNBC on Saturday that the deal will be signed in early January and that Phase 2 may then be negotiated in stages. European stocks traded sharply higher Monday after the US and China agreed a Phase 1 trade deal, offering some optimism for risk assets. The pan-European Stock 600 closed higher by almost 1.5% during trade, surpassing 418 to hit an all-time high. Basic resources led the way with 2.3% gains, as all sectors and major bourses traded firmly in positive territory. Washington and Beijing announced on Friday that an agreement had been reached pending legal procedures, a significant step forward after a bruising 18-month trade war. However, questions have been raised by market participants over some details of the deal, which remain hazy, notably the scale of agricultural purchases and the prospect of China balancing bilateral trade flows. US Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin told CNBC on Saturday that the deal will be signed in early January and that Phase 2 may then be negotiated in stages. Asian stocks were mixed Monday, with mainland Chinese stocks jumping on the back of better than expected industrial output data, while indexes in Japan and Hong Kong edged downwards. Back in Europe, British Prime Minister Boris Johnson will welcome 109 new Conservative lawmakers to Parliament on Monday, promising to move forward swiftly with Brexit and to increase funding to the National Health Service (NHS). In corporate news, Reuters reported Sunday that China's BAIC plans to double its stake in German automaker Daimler in a bid to win a board seat and challenge rival Geely. On the data front, IHS Markit Eurozone Flash Composite PMI estimates for December was recorded in line with expectations at 50.6, with service sector outperformance offsetting more disappointing manufacturing numbers. Manufacturing PMIs came in at 45.9 against a forecast of 47.3, down from 46.9 in November. UK flash readings showed that both the services and manufacturing sectors had declined more sharply than expected in December. Composite PMI came in at 48.5, its lowest level since mid-2016, suggesting the world's fifth largest economy is on course to contract in the fourth quarter. Key takeaway words: Number 1, bruising. Number 2, procedure. Number 3, phase. Number 4, hazy. And number 5, flash.